Ever wondered what it's like at North Vista Primary School? Come along with me, Kason Tan, and my friends as we discover the adventures of being a Primary 1 Vistalite. Our day begins with the morning assembly. We sing the national anthem, recite the national pledge, and sing the school song. And we are ready to start with a fun PE lesson to get our bodies moving and our minds energized. Back in the classroom, we have lessons. My teacher tells us that our school's mission is to build character, inspire passion in learning. At North Vista Primary School, we are taught not just to do well in our studies, but also to be good citizens who care for each other and the community. If we are feeling unwell, we can visit the general office. The staff there are caring and always ready to help us, making us feel safe. Our teachers also check in on us to care for us. We use iPad and apps to learn too. This is super fun. Check this out. After our math lesson, it is time for recess. This must be my favorite part of the day. I get to play with my friends, run around, and enjoy some yummy food from the canteen. We can also choose to play at the playground, field, or go to the makerspace room. Here we get to be creative and explore in making new things. Look at what we made. Isn't this just fun? Sometimes we also have special booth setups like these to visit and learn during special events such as International Friendship Day. How exciting! Meet our Vista Bears, who are always around on Vista Care Day to cheer us up. Speaking of care, the Bistro Angels, our parent volunteers, are also here daily to care for us and ensure we have a safe and enjoyable recess. During English lesson, we learn through reading big books. I love reading time. We also learn outside the classrooms, like going to our eco garden. Today, we get to enjoy nature to give us ideas for our writing. My teacher says we must be self-directed learners and be responsible for our learning. It's time for art class where we are using our hands to make clay animals. It's amazing what we can create with our imagination, don't you think? Let's not forget about our mother tongue language lessons. The school offers Chinese, Malay, and Tamil languages. Our teachers make our lessons very interesting so that it is easy and fun for us to learn. We also have a program for active learning. We call them PAL lessons. Today we are using boom whackers to create rhythms. Here in our vibrant school library, we get to enjoy some storytelling by our teachers, and we can borrow many different books or simply enjoy some quiet time. It's a magical experience to dive into the world of books. And before we know it, the school day is over. My teacher says we must be responsible individuals to clean up before going home. And here is what we do daily, full of learning, playing, and making new friends. I'm off to after school care now. I hope to see you around.